Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to curve text in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your video, type your text on the program monitor and adjust the font, size and color the way you like. Now here is the trick. Premiere Pro doesn't have built-in text curve tool, but we can do easily using the transform and the sort method instant After Effects or with a simple workaround directly in Premium. To curve text inside the Premium, create your curved text in Photoshop or Illustrator. Just use the Type on a Path tool to bend your text around the circle or curve. Then export as PNG with transparent background. Now import that PNG into Premiere Pro and drag onto your timeline. And scale or position it whatever you want. If you want to animate it, use the Effect Control panel and keyframe the scale or rotation. And that's how you can easily create curved text for your videos in Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.